In front of me is HUAWEI Mate X7, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, you need to find Themes app and open it. Now pick perfect theme for you from one of those options at the bottom: Featured, Categories, or Top. You can also tap on the search bar and type in wherever you want to. After finding a perfect theme, you can either buy one or select one of the free ones. Let's go with this one. Hit download, tap on apply, and then select discard or keep in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my HUAWEI has changed. If you want to, you can go back to your default theme by tapping on Themes app again, and this time selecting Me at the bottom right corner. Now tap on one of those themes, hit apply, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to access any of downloaded themes, you can tap on Me as well and tap on My Themes section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!